Hello friends, today we will discuss about the historic sanction made by the Indian Army. Here the meaning of the sanction is the official approval of permission. Now what actually happened? Women are now allowed permanent commission in 10 wings. Now let me start from the basics. There are two type of commissions. First, SSC and second PC. SSC stands for Short Service Commission and PC stands for Permanent Commission. In case of Short Service Commission, a person will render his service for 10 years and after completion of 10 years he would be provided to choose whether he want to continue for another 4 years or not. That means the total time a person can render his service is 14 years. After completion of 14 years, a person will not be having any kind of pension facilities. Next is in case of permanent commission. In case of permanent commission, you will be provided with the pension facilities after completion of 20 years of service. So, women were holding the short service commission and now they are transferred into permanent commission in 10 wings of Indian Army. So let me talk something about these wings. You see in every field of work, the work has been divided into streams. Like for example, in case of engineering, there are various streams like mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, IT, computer science engineering, electrical and electronics, etc. Various kind of streams are there to do a particular job. So same in the same fashion, Indian Army has also various kind of streams. Here they often use the word wings in place of streams. So these are the wings of Indian Army. Out of many wings, in 10 wings, the permanent commission has been allotted to the women. So what are these 10 wings? Let me count for you. First, Army Air Defense. Second, Signals. Third, Engineer. Fourth, Army Aviation. 5. Electronics. 6th, Mechanical Engineer. 7th, Army Service Corps. 8th, Intelligence Corps. 9th, Army Educational Corps. And 10th, Judge and Advocate General. So these are the 10 wings in which the women were allowed permanent commission. So you have to note one thing over here, that this decision which has been taken by the Indian Army came accordance with the decision taken by the Supreme Court on 17th Feb. There has been major arguments made by the government like that the permanent commission should not be allowed because of the physiological differences between men and women and the social features also. Many kind of argument has been made by the government, but all those argument has been scrapped by the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court said that we should uphold the fundamental right of the citizen. So you knew that the fundamental right, article number 15 and article number 16. Article number 15 talks about that there should be no discrimination on the grounds of on the basis of caste, sex, place of birth, etc. Next, article number 16 talks about that there should be no discrimination in providing opportunities. So these are the fundamental rights, and Supreme Court said that we should uphold the values of the fundamental rights. So accordance with those decisions, Army has sanctioned the approval of the women in the permanent commission in 10 wings of Indian Army. Next thing is the combat wing. Let's talk about the combat wing. This combat wing is actually goes for direct war. This is the wing which performs on the field, which directly goes for the war, which fights for us. So in in the so for the permanent commission of the women in this combat wing, Supreme Court has said that this decision should be taken by the expert. Supreme Court has refrained himself from taking the decision on the combat role of the women. So this decision will be taken will be taken by the expert of Indian Army. So see next what will happen. Next is see you can frame these things in the answer writing when you will be asked about the women empowerment. Obviously, every year the question will be asked about the women empowerment. You will be asked to talk about women empowerment. So these are the current events which you can quote over there, and you can look smart. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.